Hello guys, myself Mohammad Arshad Beg. Currently I am pursuing my MBA from SAS Institute of Management, Boisar. Today I would like to explain a basic and important term of organizational behavior, which is advantages and disadvantages of organizational conflict. To know about conflict, first we have to know about conflict. What is the meaning of conflict? Conflict is a serious disagreement and argument about something important. If two people or a group are in conflict, they have had a serious disagreement or argument and have not yet reached an agreement. Definition. According to Follett, conflict is defined as a position or a dispute between persons, group or ideas. Now we will move advantages and disadvantages. First we will complete our advantages of conflict, then we will move on disadvantages of conflict. So there are various advantages of conflict. Some of the following are the advantages of conflicts are: act as motivator. Conflict motivate people to put a extra effort and perform well. A conflict situation bring out a person capabilities and skill on the front foot. Bring variety in life. Second advantages of conflict is bring variety in life. Conflict brings diversity and excitement in a monotonous life in individual. Create understanding. Conflict help employee in understanding various issues. The relationship among employees improve synchronization between employee and a various department and also make intra-group relation stronger. Now we will discuss about disadvantages of conflict. What are the disadvantages of conflict? So following are the some disadvantages of conflict. Drop in productivity. It is possible that conflict affect the productivity. When a conflict continue for a long time, the focus of the employee shift from productivity to the conflict. They start spending more time on trying to get the matter solved, which affect the production. Insubordination. If the management of an organization is weak, the conflict remain unsolved and continue for a long time. Image of management in the eye of employee also get eroded as they feel that management is not able to handle the conflict. This ultimately result in insubordination. Last one is affect the quality of life. When a conflict persists for a long time, the concerned parties lose interest in the job and focuses on the conflict alone. This reduces the quality of the output and also at times put employee safety at risk. So we discussed about conflict and advantages and disadvantages. So hope you all better understood about the conflict and advantages and disadvantages. Thank you so much guys for watching my video. Thank you.